You're getting classes. Why? Why? You don't like being able to see?
Blind, then have to wear them.
Well, that's crazy. You'll never be able to drive a car then. Echo, echo. Ding dong. Maybe that's why I didn't notice it yesterday, because I didn't see it. It looks cute. All right, good morning, everyone. Hi, Akeem. Okay, you're not frozen. You look like you were frozen there for a second. All right, my friends, good morning. So most of you were either in Zoom or in class physically yesterday and started or completed your quiz. If you were not in class, you're going to have to complete it today. So let me share my screen. Those of you that are finished, I have some extra credit that I will show you after I get done explaining some other things. What do I want? I want to annotate so I can have my little magic wand. All right. So, okay. So in the stream is probably the easiest way to do it, or just on the home page for Classroom. There's the parts of speech quiz here, and then there's extra credit, which is nouns, verbs, and adjectives. So if you complete your quiz, then you can do the extra credit, because everybody could use extra credit. Yes? Okay. I would like to, if possible, today by the end of class, go over the quiz, because I think some of you are rather confused, even though we spent a whole week on this stuff last week. But that is going to depend on who has their work done. So the parts of speech quiz, for those of you that were not present yesterday, let me just go over the directions. I'll just pull up a random one here to show you what it looks like. I give you the definition of parts of speech. I give you the definition and examples for noun, verb, and adjective. And the first section 1 through 8, you have to highlight just the nouns in the sentence. And then I give you how many nouns are in each sentence. Each correct answer is worth 3 points. If you miss one, and I take another point off if you highlight the wrong word and then don't highlight the word that you're supposed to. Then you have to kind of do the same thing for verbs. Each sentence has one verb that you need to highlight, one word. The next section, you have to fill in the blank with a verb. The sentence needs to make sense the way you've completed it. And also your verb needs to be spelled correctly. Then you have adjectives. Okay, you have to fill in the blank with an adjective spelled correctly, and it needs to make sense. If it doesn't make sense, you get points off. And then bonus questions, which I would suggest trying. Take your best guess, because you can't lose points for the bonus question. So this one's worth 100 points. Well, actually 110 once you get the bonus. And that needs to be done today. I'll go over who doesn't have that in a second. Then those of you that did complete it, or if you complete it during class, there is extra credit right underneath the quiz, and it's also up here. So I have it due tomorrow. So if we open that up, and I can just pick a random kid because nobody's done these yet. It's kind of the same situation, but this time you're going to do you're going to do everything in one sentence and highlight them differently. And I don't give you how many of each are in each sentence. So you're going to, for each sentence, you're going to highlight each noun in yellow, highlight each verb in pink, and highlight each adjective in green. And then in the bottom part, you're going to fill in the blanks using the part of speech that's in the parentheses at the beginning of the sentence. Again, spelling counts, and you have to, have the sentence make sense the way you've written. Okay. So again, what I would like to do is I would like to be able to go over the quiz. Like, I haven't been able to go over quizzes with anybody because people just don't turn their work in on time. Like, I haven't been able to go over the work to show you where your errors are. because nobody's finishing things in a timely fashion. I would like to try to do that today. So the people that need to finish or start or complete it are Kiara, Georgia, Alex, Maddie, Akeem, Heather. Caden, I don't know why I didn't return yours, but it looks like you have a grade. And that's the only people that are here. Okay, anybody have any questions for me? All right, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Those of you that are in the room, you guys can get off of Zoom. Those of you at home, if you could kindly stay in the Zoom. Oh, Caleb, I didn't see that you were in there. You got to do the quiz too, buddy. Turn your mic on. Let me know you heard me.
Okay.
Okay, I didn't know you were here. I didn't see you earlier. Okay, so Devin, you can get started working. You can get out of the Zoom and you can get started working now. Caden and Skylar, I saw you guys came in a little bit late. Do you know what you need to do? Caden, Skylar, hello? This is your captain speaking. Please respond.